Good morning, boys and girls. Lovely to see you again. Today is Wednesday, and that's called Weneray. Now, I hope you've all had a lovely Easter. I've seen a lot of really exciting photos. You've been on Easter egg hunts, you've eaten chocolate eggs, you've made lovely baking. It's been wonderful. And I got some lovely pictures from Cruz showing what he's been doing. He's had a lovely big hunt of Easter eggs with his brother, with Mason, and they found lots of yummy Easter eggs all buried around the place in the garden, which sounds really neat. And Sophia also sent in some photos of her bunnies. She's got 2 rabbits too, just like Aveen. Well, Aveen's auntie really. This is Sophia's bunny. She's got this one here and this one here. 2 bunnies. I'll show you them really close. Can you see them? She wanted all you boys and girls to see her bunnies for Easter. That was nice of her, wasn't it? It was so lovely. As you know, this week we're talking about the letter F. F for fish. Let's have a look at our big fish. Swim, swim, swim. There he is. He's pretty lovely, isn't he? Now, I got sent some lovely F words from Abby, and she's added them. I've added them to the list. Abby's new words are fish, finger, foot, flying, and friends. That's my big list now. It's really big now, isn't it? Shall we read them together? They sound like f, like that. Ready? Fun, fish, fly, fur, food, finger, flip, flop, four, foot, feet, fairy, frog, ferry, family, farm, flying, and friends. Okay, should we practice our climb aboard the spaceship poem? I think we should. You ready, Rose? Yep, she said yes. Here it is. And this one's really cool because you can act it out. You ready? Get ready to climb aboard the spaceship. Okay? Climb aboard the spaceship. We're going to the moon. Hurry and get ready. We're going to blast off soon. Put your helmets on. Buckle up really tight. Here comes the countdown. Let's count with all our might. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off to the moon. Now, have you ever wondered about the moon? We see it up in the sky, don't we? Wonder how it got there. I wonder if people could go there. Wonder if anyone's ever been to the moon. Would you like to fly to the moon? Wonder how long it would take. Wonder what it would look like when you got there. Could you walk around on the moon? Would you drive your cars up there? Don't know. When you look up into the sky, what does it look like? You see all the funny little shapes in it, don't you? I wonder what they are. I wonder how big the moon is. It'd be fun to find out, wouldn't it? Now, boys and girls, it would be really fun to answer some of our questions, wouldn't it? So I've got this. Do you know what this is? This is the sun. This is my sun. I've got this. Do you know what this is? This is our earth, where we live. And if you look right down the very bottom, there's New Zealand. That's where we live. So this is our earth. What shape is our earth? Is our Earth flat or is it? Yeah, it's round. We call this a sphere, like a ball. This is our Earth. The Sun is a sphere too, but I didn't have a big enough one to show you, so this is our Sun today. I've also made you a moon. This is our little moon. It's a sphere shape as well. Now what's interesting about the moon and the Earth and the Sun, I'll show you. All the planets in the solar system orbit around the Sun. Do you know what that means? Orbit means they go around something. So if the Sun's in the sky like this, the Earth goes around. It moves around the Sun, like that. And it goes around like this. It always goes in this direction. This is called anti-clockwise. It's the other way to the clock goes. That's right. So our Earth moves around the Sun, like that. And then around the Earth, the moon moves around the Earth. It orbits around, like this. So the moon orbits around the Earth, and the Earth orbits around the Sun. Pretty cool, eh? Just thought I'd show you that. So that's what's going on up in our sky. We're moving, our Earth is moving around the Sun, and our moon is moving around our Earth. You can't feel it moving, can you? Interesting, isn't it? I've got a little book to show you. Show you a couple of pages. It's called The Earth and the Moon. This will help us with our questions. It says, the Earth. It says, is the Earth flat? No. The Earth is round like a ball. That's what we talked about, wasn't it? It's round like a ball. This is the moon. The moon is round like a ball too. Here's a question for us. What makes daylight on the Earth? Do you know the answer? What makes our Earth daylight? Give you a clue. How big? That's right, it's the sun. The sun makes the daylight. And the sun shines down on the Earth. What makes the light on the moon? Do you want to have a guess? Yep. It's the sun again. The sun makes the moon shine. We can see the moon in the day and at night because the sun shines on it. Isn't that amazing? So far we've learned that our Earth moves around our sun like this, and the moon moves around our Earth, and the sun shines on the Earth and the sun shines on the moon to make it shine and to give us daylight. Isn't that amazing? Now boys and girls, have a little think about that, and your challenge for today is to see if you can draw a picture of the moon. Maybe you'll also send in some space pictures that you've done. That would be really cool. I'd love that. And you could always, if you can't send your pictures in, you could always put them in your preschool folder and then show us them when you come back to preschool. That would be really neat. You have a lovely, lovely afternoon, boys and girls, Ka kite, and I'll see you tomorrow for some more space fun. We'll discover more about the moon and about what's up there. That'll be fun, wouldn't it? Ka kite. Bye-bye. Love you guys. See ya. Say goodbye, bro. Oh, she's asleep again. Bye-bye.